Thank you so much for joining me. Today is Create 2025 class number 4, and we worked on some tags today. I will show you the die set that we used, and it is this one here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 shadow layer, 5, and 6 dies. So we made a series of tags today. I'll show you what we did with them. I'll show you some pictures of the ones that we made and the ones that I made. This is in no particular order. So here is one of them. And what we did was we would use the top layer, and then we will use this the most. We will use the whole, when you cut this out, this is a whole ribbon with the sentiment attached to it. So we will cut that out, and we will cut like pieces of the ribbon, wrap it around, just make it dimensional. So this is dimensional, and on the back I added that, and I did add some ribbon on this one. I used Griffin's Virginia, I think it's Virginia papers. So yeah, that's that one. And let me see, this one here is more of the holiday one, and this one is not double-sided. So some of them are, some of them are not. And here I was supposed to cut out, so let me show you, cut out, like I got this part on there, but I was supposed to cut this part off and like wrap it around, but I missed that step. My own fault. So that is another holiday one. This does have a little hole for the ribbon, so you can even use it for an ornament. Like this one I made. This one I decided to put a little ribbon here to hang, or if you want to hang it from your gift bag or so. This one is double-sided as well. These are Anna's flowers. These are not coming in a kit. This is still her products, but it just was separate from the Create package. And this is her paper, her flowers. This is her paper as well, a foil paper. Incredibly pretty. And then we did this one here. Well, this one is not her paper, but this was one of those ones where you use the ribbon, and you use a curling tool or like your bone fold or something to just kind of give it some dimension. So yeah, these are very dimensional, super cute. She said she had wished she did this part separate, this ribbon part here, because we used it for so much, so far on the products, and it's really pretty. So yeah, this is not her paper, but this is from a paper pad that I had from Hobby Lobby. And yeah, I just decided to do a everyday color. So then the final two, we made a total of 6 tags. So the final 2 we did were little cards. So for this, we use the gratitude journal die. Pretty much folded that in half. And yeah, we made this nice little card. So we used the actual journal base, and then the frame. And this is some paper that I have from Hobby Lobby, and this is her paper from the Create. These are the embellishments that came with it. So it's a little card, and when you open it up, there were some rub-ons. I chose these 2. Looks like it belongs on that paper. I love her rub-ons. And then we also did an everyday one, and that is this one here. This is her flowers from the Create, but these are not her papers. This is a paper pad that I got from Michael's, and some pink paper from Michael's as well. For my everyday one, I did use the rub-ons. It seemed to go well with this paper. So there and there. So pretty clever to use the gratitude journal dies, and then this, I mean, super cute. Like, I love these. These are so cute. So those are my tag dies for today, 6 of them, and it's a very versatile die. And thank you so much for joining me. Stay tuned for class number 5.